Ready? Start. It is a basic requirement of rules of natural justice that an employee is given a reasonable opportunity of being heard in any proceeding which may culminate in a punishment being imposed on the employee. When a department inquiry is conducted against the government servant, it cannot be treated as a casual exercise. The inquiry proceedings also cannot be conducted with a closed mind. The inquiry officer has to be wholly unbiased. The rules of natural justice are required to be observed to ensure not only that justice is done but is manifestly seen to be done. The object of rules of natural justice is to ensure that a government servant is treated fairly in proceedings which may culminate in imposition of punishment including dismissal or removal from service. This proposition can be illustrated by a large number of modern cases involving the use of undisclosed reports by administrative tribunals and other adjudicating bodies. If the deciding body is or has the trappings of a judicial tribunal and receives or appears to receive evidence ex parte which is not fully disclosed or holds ex parte inspections during the course or after the conclusion of the hearing, the case for setting the decision aside is obviously very strong. The maxim that justice must be seen to be done can readily be invoked. In our opinion, the aforesaid maxim is fully applicable in the facts and circumstances of this case. As noticed earlier, in the present case, not only the respondent has been denied access to documents sought to be relied upon against him, but he has been condemned unheard as the inquiry officer failed to fix any date for conduct of the inquiry. In other words, not a single witness has been examined in support of the charges leveled against the respondent. The High Court therefore has rightly observed that the entire proceedings are vitiated, having been conducted in complete violation of principles, natural justice, and total disregard of fair play. Stop. Over.